Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chow Chow 2025 in Let's Learning Excel. Today we're going to learn about how to group data in a FIFO table. First, we're going to make a FIFO table here. We're not going to group anything. So yeah, let's just make it one here. This FIFO table have like leadership, war, intelligence, politics, charms, total. If we want to group this data, for example, if we want to count how many leader, score 1, score 2, score 3, how many heroes, we could use a group function that are located in data and then group. Here we could select starting at, it means in which point you start grouping, and ending at 99, it means it's going to group it until what point. You could use 100. The default is this is the first line here and the end is 1999, but we're going to make 100 because we know logically the score is 1 to 100, and by 10 it means it's going to group every 10. So 1 to 10, 11 to 20, automatically like this. 1, 10, 11, 20, 20, 30, if done automatically. And we could actually change it. If, for example, we want to start at 50, and start will become a lot after 50. So yeah, it's under 50 and then it start moving up. And you can actually also assign that it's only 280s, and it's by 10, not by 10, but by 5 step. So under 50 and over 80. This is really fun and easy if you want just to look at the data. If someone asks you, yes, group it. It's really easy to use. And you could actually group manual things. Like for example, if we have this faction, faction. We want to group this Donzo group into one own group. You just block it and then select grouping. It's gonna group automatically. Here you can just send the name, it's Donzo, whatever, Donzo group. You could do a repeat automable if you want, and you could do a lot, like this is Donzo group and other stuff. Even the group that you are grouping like this, you could also group it again to make the third one, and then with whatever. Anyway, that's its grouping. Then how to ungroup, just select data and then ungroup again. It's gonna ungroup everything that you have done. Yeah, that's how to ungroup. Alright guys, that's it for grouping and ungrouping the FIFO table. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and see you again on the next episode. Have a nice day.